Mineral powder generally refers to the mineral powder extracted after grinding and processing. Mineral powder ball pressing machine can be forced extrusion of powder by the ball pressing machine. Making molding. Let related industries use. Mineral powder ball pressing machine energy saving and environmental protection. Easy to transport. Improve the utilization rate of waste, with good economic and social benefits. Mineral powder ball press after many years of industrial use and improvement, with the advantages of high pellet rate, low power consumption, compact structure and easy maintenance and debugging. Mineral powder ball press is widely used in resistant materials, power plants, metallurgy, chemical industry, energy, transportation, heating and other industries.